Students, we are doing example number 41 today. Example number 41. Page number 2.55, example number 41. On 31st March 2014, balances in the capital accounts of Eileen, Monu and Ahmed after making adjustment for profit and drawings were 1,60,000, 1,20,000 and 80,000 respectively. Three partners are there, students. One is Eileen, then Monu and then Ahmed. सबसे पहले लिखेंगे बेटा हम लोग क्लोजिंग कैपिटल, क्योंकि क्लोजिंग डेट का दिया हुआ है, तो क्लोजिंग कैपिटल इज 1,60,000, 1,20,000 and for Ahmed it is 80,000. Subsequently, it was discovered that interest on capital and drawings had been omitted. दोनों हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट नहीं किए हैं. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2014 was rupees 40,000. Students, profit को प्लस करते हैं कि माइनस करते हैं बेटा? देखो किसको याद है. Profit is to be minus profit. Profit is 40,000 and students इसका रेशियो लास्ट में दिया है बेटा 2:1:1. तो 40,000 को 2:1:1 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे तो इट इज 20,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Continue. During the year, Eileen and Monu each withdrew a total sum of 24,000 in equal installments in the beginning of each month, and Ahmed withdrew a total sum of 48,000 in equal installments at the end of each month. Always drawings are to be added. Drawings of Eileen during the year, Eileen and Monu withdrew 24,000. Drawings of Eileen are 24,000, Monu 24,000, and Ahmed total drawings are 48,000. So what remains, students? That is our opening capital. देखो तो बेटा कितना आ रहा है ओपनिंग कैपिटल स्टूडेंट्स? इलीन का ओपनिंग कैपिटल चेक करो कितना आ रहा है बेटा?
1,64,000.
1,64,000 I think.
4,000.
Okay, 1,64,000 for Eileen. For Monu चेक करो बेटा कितना आ रहा है? 120 में से 10 या 1,10 and 24 मतलब 1,34,000. And for Ahmed 80 minus 10 70, 70 plus 48 I think 1,18,000. Correct to बेटा में students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, अब चेक करते हैं बेटा इस पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना कैलकुलेट करना है. एज पर थर्ड पॉइंट, द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स वाज टू बी चार्ज्ड एट 5% per annum and interest on capital was to be allowed at 10% per annum. So we'll write interest on capital, it is 10%, so 16,400, 13,400 and 11,800. Now students, we have to calculate interest on drawings of all the three partners. For Eileen, total drawings is 24,000 into, we have to calculate 5% interest, so into 5/100 into. Students, Eileen has withdrawn during the year. Eileen and Monu each withdrew a total sum of 24,000 in equal installments in the beginning of each month. अब students, beginning of each month है तो 12 plus 1 13/2, इसका मतलब 6.5 divide by 12. Same way Monu has withdrawn 24,000 into 5/100 into, Monu has also withdrawn on the first day of every month, so into 6.5 divide by 12. And for Ahmed has withdrawn 48,000 into 5/100 into, he has withdrawn on the end of each month, last day of every month, so 11 plus 0, it means 5.5 divided by 12. तीनों के अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे बेटा. I think 650 for Eileen. 650. Students, please verify the answer. And same 650 for mono. 1100 for Ahmed. Students, please verify the answer. Students, please verify the answer.
Yes, sir. It's same.
Okay. Now, particular Eileen debit credit, mono debit credit, Ahmed debit credit, and firm debit credit. Students, what is interest on capital for the partners?
Income.
Income. So interest on capital for Eileen, it is 16,400. Income है इसीलिए उसको credit करेंगे. For mono 13,400 and for Ahmed 11,800. But for firm के लिए it is expense. तो इन सबको टोटल करके डेबिट करेंगे बेटा फर्म में. 16 and 13, 29, 30, 40, 42,600. I think 16, 13, 29, 29 plus 130, 40, 40,800. No, 41,600 students. Please verify. Students, please verify.
Same, sir.
Okay. And now, interest on drawings is expense for the partners. For Eileen, interest on drawings is 650. So it is to be debited. For mono, 650 is to be debited. And for Ahmed, 1100 is to be debited. And for firm, it is income. 2400 is to be credited. So now, loss 41,600 minus 2,400 beta. Please tell me the amount. For the firm, 41,600 is expense and 24 is income. So total expense कितना हो रहा है ज़्यादा, loss कितना हो रहा है बेटा? 41,600 minus 2,400. Students, please tell me the amount. I think
39,200.
And this 39,200 is to be distributed between Ellen, Mono, and Ahmed in the ratio of 2:1:1. 39,200 को 2:1:1 में distribute करेंगे बेटा. 39,200 into 2 divided by 4. So on debit side, 19,600. 39,200 into 1 divided by
9,800.
9,800. Correct बेटा? And 9,800 over here. अब इन सबका डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट का टोटल करेंगे. देखते हैं किस तरफ डिफरेंस आ रहा है. So here credit is 16,400 and the debit is 19,600 plus 650. Debit is 20,250. So difference is 3,850. Debit. Mono 650 plus 9,800. 10,450 debit. 13,400 credit. So 13,400 minus 10,450. So 2950 credit balance, and over here 1100 plus 9800, total is 10,900 and 11,800. So again it is credit. 11,800 minus 10,900, 900 is the credit balance. So students, what is debit? Eileen is debit. Date, particular, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. So entry is Eileen account debit. It is 3850. Then to Monu is credit 2950, and to Ahmad is credit as rupees 900. Jan entry clear beta सबको students? Any doubt in the sum students? Students सम में कोई doubt बेटा किसी को? Complete करो बेटा.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for joining late.
Okay, Kush. Kush, you were absent in the last lecture, beta.
Yes, sir. On Sunday.
Yes.
Sir, now me and my father went to corona test.
Okay.
So that's why we can't join.
Okay, no problem. Students, please finish it out this sum.
Sir, in this Sunday test, entire chapter is coming.
No, beta. The chapter which we will complete till Wednesday, beta. So the topics up to Wednesday will be asked in Sunday's examination.
Okay, sir.
Students, once you complete the sum, please let me know. Then we'll move towards the next sum.
Done, sir.
Everyone done, students?
Yes.
कोई ऐसा बेटा जिसका बाकी हो? Okay, I think done for everyone. Students, we are doing example number 46. Example number 46. तीन चार स्टूडेंट्स ही ऐसे हैं जो बोलते हैं बेटा, बाकी सब लोग भी बोलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो पता चले किसी का बाकी है, कंप्लीट है, डाउट है, कोई कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है. ऐसे लेक्चर स्टूडेंट्स मोनोटोनस हो जाते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जांपल नंबर 46. Okay, A, B and C were partners in a firm. On 1st April 2018, their capital stood at, students, 1st April का capital है. So this is your opening capital or closing capital, students?
Opening capital.
This is opening capital.
Opening capital.
तो स्टूडेंट्स अपन को ओपनिंग कैपिटल फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 4 लाख, 3 लाख एंड 2 लाख. इसलिए मैं ये सम करा रहा हूँ बेटा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करेंगे बेटा, फॉर्मूला लगा के और ओपनिंग कैपिटल फाइंड करेंगे, बट इट इज गिवन, तो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एज पर द प्रोविजन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप डीड, A was entitled to a salary of 5,000 per month. So 5,000 into 12, total salary of A is 60,000. Partners were entitled to interest on capital at 10% per annum. Interest on capital is 10%, 4 lakh 10%, that is 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 3 lakh. was divided among the partners without providing for the above items, showing your working clearly, pass on adjustment entry to rectify the above error. So students, first of all, we'll make the table. Particular A, debit, credit, B, debit, credit, C, debit, credit, firm, debit, credit. Students, first of all, salary. A is getting the salary of rupees 60,000. Students, A is getting the salary, so it is income or expense for the A?
Income.
Income. For A, 60,000 is the income, but for the firm, it is expense, so it is to be debited by rupees 60,000. Then, interest on capital is what for the partner, students? Interest on
Income.
capital, income. So A 40,000, B 30,000, and C 20,000. And total 90,000 is the expense. So it is to be debited. और कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा, तो टोटल फर्म का लॉस है 1,50,000. Now this 1,50,000 is to be distributed among all the three partners. Students कोई रेशियो दिया बेटा क्वेश्चन में, चेक करो प्लीज.
No, sir.
नहीं तो इक्वल रेशियो. So 50,000 is to be debited, 50,000 is to be debited, and 50,000 is to be debited. Now, over here it is 1 lakh and it is 50,000. So basically 50,000 is the credit one, 50,000 on the debit, and 30,000 on the credit. So basically 20,000 on the debit side, 50,000 on the debit, and 20,000 on the credit. So basically 30,000 on debit. Am I clear, students, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in calculation, students? Any doubt in calculation, students?
No,
Students, I think there is some glitch. Can you hear me properly, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Now-
was having a doubt.
Yes, Adarsh, please, beta.
सर इन आवर स्कूल सर हमको ऐसा बोला है कि जो प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है पहले उसे आप डेबिट करेंगे, तो प्रॉफिट अनडू करेंगे, तो पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम 1 लाख डेबिट करेंगे और फर्म में 3 लाख क्रेडिट करेंगे, ऐसा बोला है सर स्कूल में.
पर उसको करने की कहाँ जरूरत है बेटा, वो तो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है ना.
सर मतलब स्कूल में सर ने बोला कि मींस जो प्रॉफिट पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है
एक
उसको
हाँ।
डेबिट करेंगे.
एक सेकंड
ऐसे बोला
बेटा.
सर.
टोटल the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019, 3 lakh was divided among the partners without providing for the above items.
Sir, your voice
But one
is
end,
glitching.
just a second, students, please rejoin, students. Please rejoin.